Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is going to be from April the 22nd through the 28th. And what I'm going to be doing this week is I saw these papers at Joann's and I love them, all the little seeds for the flowers that you could grow. I just thought they were gorgeous. The only problem is they're actually bigger than my little boxes. Now you could cut these down smaller, but I don't think I'm going to. And then I picked this paper out to go with it. I think it works very nicely. And then I saw these Dollar Tree stickers and I thought, oh, wouldn't that be a beautiful spread about flowers for spring and summer. And then I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree washi with the little birds on it. I think they are so cute. And then I'm going to use maybe this Summer Melon Big Marker, okay? So, but I think I'm going to do something a little bit different with these pages. I'm only probably going to use maybe 2 of these since they are so big. So let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm so happy that everybody loved my Easter theme. I really did, and I hope everyone had a wonderful Easter. Okay, what I'm going to do, since the other paper is, the little squares are so big, I'm going to use the majority of this paper. I really like this one as well. And I'm going to cut this. I think this will be really pretty. So basically, this is going to be like a spread with one type of paper almost. I've never done one like this before, so I'm hoping that I'll like it. And then I think that I will cut, probably only going to use about 2 of these, because I have another idea that I want to do with some of these. So I think I'm going to use like maybe this one. And then this one. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down how we think that we want it. And we will take a look at this. And I'm thinking, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's go ahead and glue our paper down. I'm hoping this will turn out like I'm wanting it to. I think that is really cute. Okay, so now what I want to do is take this we'll put some glue on it. I'm going to put this right up here. Like that. And then I'm going to put this one down here. I might put this one inside here like this. Okay, I think that is going to be really cute. Okay, so let's put our washi down. And with this one, I'm only going to put it from right in here. Thought I'd try something a little different today. That's cute. All right. Then we'll come right in here. That really is going to be cute. There's so many ways that you can decorate your planner or use your planner as a scrapbook. Okay, then we're just going to take this to right here. I think that is so cute. Okay, now let's go ahead and put our stickers on here. Like I said, I got these at the Dollar Tree probably, a year or so ago. I have a stash of them. Okay, and we will put, and these are dimensional, but like I've said before, that really doesn't bother me. I think I will put this one, I think I'll put this one right here. And I really don't have anything I have to do this month. So that's a good thing. So I have plenty of room. But like I said, I always use the monthly to keep myself on track. I could put this here, or I could put it, maybe I'll just stick this over, kind of like right here. You really can do a scrapbook or a planner so inexpensively with stickers from the Dollar Tree. Makes it so easy. And you don't have to use every little one if you don't want to. I think I'll put that one right there. And I have one more. Let's see if I want what I want to do with that. I think I'll just sort of stick it near that one. Okay. I love how that turned out. I think that is so cute. Okay, let me just write a few things down. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at this. But I really think this turned out so cute. It's a totally different take on what you could do. I really do like how this turned out. Now, like I said, if you wanted, you could cut along through here and just make that smaller, but I wanted it to look like this. I think that is so, so pretty. It really is. It's just all so pretty. I love the paper and the washi with the little birds, and then these stickers. I think they are so pretty, and then I love this paper. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.